guys, makikita niyo kung gaano kaganda ang sunset. Tingnan niyo. So guys, ito na, binibriefing na kami pa kasi bababa kami sa barko. So binibriefing kami ko anong gagawin namin para hindi kami maiiwan ng barko. Bababa kami sa Naumea, New Caledonia.
Thank you for checking in on time.
Ito na ang New Caledonia. Yan, pusing-pusing muna kami.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Chicken, chips, and salad. That's for our lunch for today. Kasi bumaba kami ng bar. Chicken tender and chips and salad. Yummy, yummy. So, yan ang shop nila guys. Maliit lang. Yan ang aming barko guys. Dinner na naman. Umakyat na kami pabalik ng barko. Yung aming appetizer.
Thank you. I think I'm okay for now.
Pork chops and rice. Prawns, coconut prawn and rice.
I know, but I just never tried it. I've never had Advil.
Siya ngayon ang aming dinner. Pork and prawns and Tiffany, what do you have? Potato,
It's cottage? No.
cottage pie, shepherd pie,
With lamb.
and what do you have?
Pesto, taco salad.
Pesto. So, yan guys. Of course guys, binigyan na naman kami ng maraming bread. Dadalhin ko to sa kwarto. Champurrado. Champurrado guys. From they're very happy with their champurrado.
In my country, they put banana. This is a nice combined with ice cream.
Guys, this is Dancing Pillow Mama. Dito kami ngayon sa smoking deck. So, nandito kami naninigarilyo guys. Kasama ko ang aking kaibigang maganda. Sid Lisa, hello! Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. And the handsome man is over there.
Hello, back home.
I,
Wish you were here.
so we are in the middle of this sea. It's so dark. We are losing. So we are in the smoking area. Trabaho. Yan ang trabaho na pipintura dyan sa barko. Ang dami-dami kasi ditong Pilipino na nag-work. Iba-ibang work nila. Nasa gitna kami ng dagat kasi nababa na pasyente ang barko.
Having a Titanic moment, Mom.
Okay. No, the Titanic. Crazy. Okay, funny. So, yan ang mga lumalabas sila. Yan. And, yan ang, is that the Caledonia, te? That's New Caledonia, right?
Where those cranes are, that's where those. Where's the camera? There it is. Where those cranes are, right in the middle, that is Lemon Bay. New Caledonia is a country, and then Lemon Bay is where we went swimming.
Oh, yeah. So, nandito kami sa gitna. Bukas kami ay lalabas yan. Kasi hindi kami makauwi ng Australia dahil cyclone Alfred.